CNC, computer numerical control. The machines are automated cutting tools that use computer-controlled program instructions to fabricate parts from various materials. They are commonly used in manufacturing, woodworking, and metalworking industries. A CNC machine typically consists of several components, including a control unit, a drive system, a spindle, and a table for holding the workpiece. The control unit runs the program and sends signals to the drive system, which moves the cutting tool. The spindle rotates the cutting tool at high speeds to cut away material from the workpiece. CNC machines can be programmed to perform a wide range of cutting operations, including milling, drilling, and turning, as well as more complex tasks like contouring and 3D surface machining. They can be programmed using computer-aided design (CAD) software and are capable of producing highly accurate and repeatable parts. CNC machines have several advantages over traditional manual machining methods, including greater precision, improved production speed and efficiency, and reduced labor costs. They can also perform repetitive tasks without human intervention, freeing up operators to perform other tasks. Overall, CNC machines play a significant role in modern manufacturing, allowing for the production of complex parts with high accuracy and repeatability, as well as reducing the need for manual labor and improving overall productivity.